Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to control who can call you on the VK app. Whether you want to limit calls to friends only or block everyone, first, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, at the top right corner, tap on the three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Now, tap on Privacy to access your account's privacy controls. Next, scroll until you find the option labeled Who Can Call Me. Tap on it to see the different choices available for managing calls. Then, you can select from multiple options depending on your preference. You can allow calls from all users, friends of friends, friends, users from Messenger and contacts, or even block calls completely with no one. There is also an option to select certain friends if you want more control over who can reach you directly. Once you make your selection, the changes will update instantly, and your call settings will be applied immediately. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, giving the video a like, and sharing it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips.